Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Oppo's smartphone Oppo A53. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, SSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 64GB with 4GB of RAM, 128GB with 6GB of RAM, and it's come with a micro SD card dedicated slot. The phone is coming in 3 colors, and the 3 colors are down fry white, electric black, fancy blue. And USB has micro USB 2.0, Type C 1.0 reversible connector, USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. Display size is 6.5 inches and 82.9% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.45 into 2.96 into 0.33 inches and weight 186 gram. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Qualcomm SM4250 and Snapdragon 460, and the CPU is getting octa-core 4x1.8 GHz Cairo 240 and 4x1.6 GHz Cairo 240. You can get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint, rear mounted, accelerometer, proximity compass, and battery is lithium polymer 5000 mAh non-removable with capacity of fast charging 18 watt. As always, the phone has dual SIM, dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound with 3.5mm jack. You get the main camera triple, 13 megapixel flash 2.2 wide, second on 2 megapixel flash 2.4 macro, and third on 2 megapixel flash 2.4 depth. Video type facility at a maximum of 1080 pixel 30 frame rate per second, and get a selfie camera single, 16 megapixel with flash 2.0. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Oppo A53 model. Those who like to use medium range smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Oppo can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay safe, stay well. Goodbye.